Okay, hey, how you doing? My name's Chris Barber. I live in a city in the United States of America. It has come to my attention that periodically you were supposed to pop your dog's anal glands. Not pop them, but you're supposed to get all the stuff out of the anal glands of your dog. I was unaware of this. I've had my dog for a few years now, and I never heard that before. So, since they've made it a point to tell me about it, I'm going to make it a point to go do it. So, I have the several things that I need. First thing I need is the dog. This is Puddle's doggy. Pet pet. So we're going to get Puddles, and we're going to see how much they filled out. I was told. How you doing, Pet Pet? This is Pet. What? Well, tell my baby. So, I was told that the best way to do this, or the best place to do this, is in the bathtub. So we're going to put Puddles in the bathtub. There's Pet's butts. Let me switch this around. Okay, well apparently I can't switch it around. So, we have a dog, gloves, and shampoo. Alright? So, we're going to see if we can do this. So first thing we got to do is make Pud Pud feel kind of comfortable. Alright? So she won't be scared, Docky. And then I'm going to set this up here because I can't put on gloves and tape at the same time. So I'm going to use my handy little shelf here. We're going to use my handy little shelf here. To put on some gloves. Just got a tattoo recently right there. You can't really see it from there, but I'm going to make sure I don't mess that up. Okay, so supposedly, and I know you can't see it. Maybe if I get it right here, you can see it. Oh. Okay, can you see it? Alright, so you still can't see it, can you? So supposedly, it's supposed to be 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock from your dog's butt. So let's see if we can find it. Will you stop? Fuck. Oh shit. That shit just shoots right out there, doesn't it? Holy fuck. I didn't do that. Oh. It fucking stinks, dude. Ugh. Good girl, Peppa. God. So that's what you're looking for right there. Stay right there. No, don't lick nothing. Stop. So, I don't know how well you can see me, but this right here is what you're looking for. You see it? Oh my God, the smell of this is absolutely atrocious. See it right there? See? That's why you need gloves. And it just squirts out. It just, no, stay. That's a good girl. Don't lick nothing, don't touch nothing. So that's what you're looking for, I guess. That is fucking disgusting. I don't know what this shit is. I guess when you feel around her butt, it's two like little balloons. You'll feel like two little marbles in there. And then that's what you're supposed to squeeze. You gotta get, like there's her butt right there. Like where my tip is. And then it's like right there. So, like that's her butt, my middle finger. And then that's the two little, my index finger and my third finger, my ring finger and my index finger are the two balloons. And my middle finger is her butthole. So you gotta get underneath those two balloons and squeeze. Good girl, fellas. And I guess once you either can't squeeze it anymore, or you don't really feel the grapes anymore, like those little pockets anymore. Oh my God, that smell is freaking atrocious. You feel better, Pud Pud? I don't know if you can't really see it, but she totally just laid down on the bottom of the. She totally just laid down on the bottom of the thing, so apparently it feels better. It's just like grease, like oil. So alright, so that's that. Be ready for the smell. That's the only thing I can tell you. Be ready for the damn smell. Oh. Alright, well I'm going to go clean this up and I'm going to give her a bath, alright? And then it's disgusting, man, but apparently you got to do it. And I just did mine and my dog apparently likes it. This is the aftermath of that. So my battery's dying. You probably can't see it, but yeah, it squirts out. Alright, so if you have a dog, go pop her butt, I guess. Supposedly it saves her life. There's a lot of videos on YouTube about people not doing it, and then I guess they can get an abscess and it can potentially kill the dog. So, alright, until next time. Late.